Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's see what is the new enhancement that happens inside the sign module of Odoo 19.4. So it actually brings us several useful improvement that makes managing and organizing electronic signature easier. Okay, so let's head over to the sign module first of all. And the first improvement that happens is reusable templates. So if I am taking any of this document, so let me take this one. And if we have just completed the edits and we send this to the signer, after onwards, if you want this particular document or this thing to be added as a template, you can move on to the gear icon and you can simply save this as a template. And it will be moving on to this template section and it is already saved. Okay. So instead of creating the same signature document from the scratch every time, you can save it as a template and use it again whenever you need. Okay. So that's the first improvement. And next, let's talk about the second one, which means that redirect signature request. Okay. So from Odoo 19.4 onwards, what you can see is you can simply, just send a particular document to another person. Okay. So they we can take any of the documents. So let it be this one. So if I want to send this to any other person rather than Michelle admin, from there itself, I can click on the gear icon and there we have an option to send to. And you can add which is your customer. So let it be Abigail Carter. Once I've done with that, I can click on the option and ta-da, it will be sending to Abigail Carter as well. Okay. So if a document was originally sent to the wrong person or the person who needs to sign has changed, you can redirect the request instead of starting the entire signature process again. So that's also a very useful feature. Okay, now let's talk about the third one, which means the improved signer visibility. So if I'm taking a document and if that particular document have more than four signers, okay, so there you can see more than not more than four, it's more than three signers. And Odoo now provides a clearer view of all signers along with that. So here you can see this is the signers part. If I'm clicking on there, you can see they will get a drop down menu and these are the signers. And from onwards, there you can see what is their status, like awaiting signature. If they signed, you can see that they are already signed. Okay. So if I'm sending this and it's already sent, and there you can see all such kind of details from here itself. So you can quickly check who has already signed, who is still waiting to complete their process as well. Okay. Now let's talk about the fourth one, which means better document organization. Okay, so if I'm taking any of the document, from there itself you can see a lot of tags. Okay, so to organize each of the document, Odoo gives you the tag for documents and it making it easier to categorize and find them later as well. So if this particular document is regarding with any kind of HR or any kind of entity, I can add a lot of tags that regarding with the document. So you can simply do them in a very easy way. So these are the four improvement that happens inside the sign module of Odoo 19.4. So I hope you all understood and I think you guys are going to make it use of these things. Okay. And let me address one more thing that if you are a person, like if you just taking a lot of digital signatures and a business person, now you don't need to choose a better system or what a laptop once you guys are switched to Odoo. We don't want to use them to create any kind of documents and sending this to any kind of signers in a digital way. Don't worry. Now you can do this all stuff using a mobile phone. Yeah, we Cybrosys introduced Mobo to you guys because it's a mobile suite for Odoo. So you can do whatever you guys are doing inside a laptop using a mobile phone. Just go on to the App Store or the Play Store and download this Mobo. There we have several modules, so you can simply download them and you can easily use them as well. And let me know your experience, how your smooth connection with a Mobo, and is it useful for you guys? And it is convenient to take every kind of business inside your pocket or not? Let me know about your suggestions and valuable reviews as well. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of updates in Odoo 19.4 and also Odoo 20. So till the next video, bye bye.